Oh, I haven't ridden in so long, guys. Both of my brakes feel funky. I dropped the bike and bent the front one, if you can't tell, but honestly this feels better than it did before. The back brake, not so much. Woo. I don't know if you guys know when you have contacts, but I just took a shower and my eyes are so dry. Oh, I can barely see. Woo. Yeah, buddy. Whoever that was, he liked it. Woo! We still got it, baby. I got Eminem playing, dude. I can't remember the last time I listened to an Eminem song. Guys, this ride is literally so impromptu that I didn't even put on boxers. I just got out of the shower, threw on my sweatpants, going commando right now. If anyone is curious as to what's going on in my life right now, that car is passing me. But I actually had a Ford Ranger. If you ever watch my channel, I had a Ford Ranger, and I got it for crazy cheap about a year ago from this old guy. And I now have a job that requires me to go to the office, and it's a lot of driving to the office there and back each day. And I figured I might as well just get a newer car. So basically I sold the truck, but now I don't have a car, and it's been taking a while dealing with like shiesty salesmen with getting a new car. But I hope to have a new one soon, but it's basically been 2 weeks without a car. It has sucked. I've been taking the train to work, but that's not fun. So hopefully I'll have a new car soon, but that's really just been taking up so much of my time, and the train takes so long to get home that I literally haven't been able to ride at all. It is so dark in here. So we're planning to look at and hopefully buy a car this weekend. I'll show you guys once I get it. You know what, I'll just tell you. It's a Miata. I'm looking at a Miata. I've always wanted one. So not practical, but it should be sick. So man, I'm like, it's so foggy in here too. See guys, this is what's good about the electric bike. Could have taken the big bike out, but that just felt like too much. Oh, what the hell? Was there a storm here? There must have been, right? See, if we're on the CRF 250L, we'd have much more trouble getting over this, but not on the little guy. I also got the front RSF 650 wheel. Oh my god, there's a dog. I got the front wheel for the RSF, and the rear wheel should come in like a month, so this thing will be super motored up in no time. Yeah, we're not planning to be out crazy late, so if anyone is curious in terms of future upgrades for this bike, I actually have already ordered upgraded front forks and rear shock for the bike from Electro & Co. Lead time on the front forks, and I ordered it with the rear shock, so it'll take the same amount of time, is approximately 5 to 10 weeks. It's been about 4 weeks already, so maybe they come in a week, maybe they come in 5 weeks, who knows, 6 weeks. Actually, I want to turn around and hit the parking garage after we do some circles. Whew. See, bumps like that will be so much nicer once we have the Mototech forks from Electro & Co., the Öhlins rear shock. Woo! I just got a gust of wind right into the pants. Oh look, they left it open for me. Actually, it looks like someone might have broken it off. This is typically the meetup spot, but I don't think anyone is here. I wonder if the top is open right now. Oh, they got the Eagles green on the FMC building. You already know it. I'm actually wearing an Eagles shirt right now that I think of it. Sweatshirt. Damn, so they've still got this all blocked off. I think they had an event. It's done now, but now they're just taking it down, I guess. Oh, it's like a stage. I wonder if something already happened. I don't know, but why don't we get up on this? One day I'll be up on a stage, riding wheelies. It's a part of a show. I hope there's no nails up here. Woo. That's what I get for showing off. Thanks. You too. How embarrassing is that, guys? It's always funny to me how people want to make these razors so fast, but honestly, I rarely go over 30 miles an hour. Like anything past 30 is kind of sketchy on this thing. I think it might be better once I have the upgraded RSF Supermoto wheels. However, the bike is still made for children, so like going over 30 is scary. Doing slower wheelies, I'm about it, but the 30 plus speed on this thing, a little scary. You know, if you asked me, I never thought I would have had the balls to just ride around this city like this on this little clown bike. Alas, here I am. Yeah, we're just gonna ride this circle around. Guys, I'm also so hyped. Brian636, he got that Sur-On, dude. He's been loving it. He's been making so many videos on it. It's dope. And everyone's just getting into the e-bike life. Like, it's not like there's anything wrong with gas bikes. It's just, it's crazy. We never really have had electric bikes like this, like, and now they're so accessible and so much cheaper than they used to be. They're still not cheap, don't get me wrong, but the power to weight ratio on these super light bikes is crazy. 35, 36. All right, see, I'm going over 30 here, but it's because I'm literally driving in actual traffic. Guys, I'm actually headed to my buddy's house right now. He lives right up here. I'm just gonna bring this thing right inside. Otherwise, someone would definitely steal it without question. We can start with some circles. Dude, it's completely silent. It's so wild. Why does this feel weird? No shit. I popped the tire, dude. Well, we somehow got a flat tire. Alright, I think that's good. Well, that certainly didn't go as planned, but shout out to my friend Sean, who literally just took me home to lose a spot, because we got a flat tire. And I'm really curious where it's even flat. Like, I think I just popped the tube. I don't know. We'll figure it out next video. But now we've really got to ride this thing because we've got nothing else to ride. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time. As always, peace.